How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add supports in SuperSlicer. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, let's go ahead and import our model right here. Right after, you just want to click on your actual model, and on the side of your screen, you will be able to see the supports drop-down menu. So just go ahead and click on it, and here you have the ability to select supports on build plate only, support inverters only, and everywhere. You could also go ahead and edit out the infill if you want to. So in my case, I'm going to put 15, and from there you should be good to go. So you could just click on the slice plate now option, and that's going to be it. You could also click on the paint on supports in order to paint the supports manually if you want to. So if you want to go ahead and apply some to this specific area, maybe this tail section right here and this wing area, you could also go ahead and do that. And if you want to block supports, you could use the right click button on your mouse. So since this is the face and we don't want any supports on this, I'm just going to paint it with the red marker using right click. And now if we click on the slice now option, it should only apply to those areas that we have painted, as you could go ahead and see right here. And it avoided the areas that we painted red on. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.